Hello there everyone and welcome back guys. So today guys we're going to be cleaning the wheels using a Karcher SC. This is the ST2 model. And we're going to be using the SC pretty much as a waterless wash. We're going to break down the brake dust, the dirt, with just directly aiming the SC onto the wheel, and we're going to break down as much dirt as possible, and then we're going to mop it all up with a microfiber cloth. And it's pretty much similar to what a waterless wash would be, where you spray the chemical onto the surface, it then encapsulates the dirt. At least that's how it works in theory. And this wheel hasn't been cleaned for about a week, so it's a fresh layer of brake dust that I've gathered in about a week. Again, this wheel cleaning method has its limitations. You're probably going to miss a lot of intricate areas that you will only get with a brush. And the aim is just to clean the face of the wheel. I'm not sure that it's going to do a good job on the tires, because to remove the previous dressing and the dirt you will need some type of degreaser. And here I'm trying to mop up the steamed water basically. As you can see, it's doing a great job on breaking down the dirt, just using high temperature and the steam, the force of the steamer. And as you can see, I'm folding my towels just like I would with a waterless wash. Honestly, it was fun to clean the wheels this way. I wouldn't really do it all the time. It's just once in a while maybe. But to be honest, it's just experimenting whether it's any good. But I mean, it did the job and it's possible. Obviously, it's not the most delicate way to clean your wheels. In terms of, scratches and whatnot, you want to do a pre-wash first, then introduce a slick chemical onto the wheel with your brushes. But nonetheless, it did the job. And finally, obviously, when you wipe down the wheel, you might want to go with the dry side over, just to remove all the moisture. And this is distilled water. And the good thing about this method is you're using only distilled water, no chemicals, and it was quite fun. Is it the most practical method? No, but it just does the job, and it will work in certain scenarios, but most of the time you want to use the traditional way of cleaning your wheel, to be fair. But was just my sort of try, and I wanted to share this with you. But ultimately it did the job, and the wheels turned out pretty good. Thank you everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video.